Thank you for checking out the bonus edition of Resolve to Grow. Here's 3 great reasons why gardening is the perfect New Year's resolution for 2018. Please take a moment to like us. We really appreciate it. We would love to receive your feedback and thoughts, so comment below and we'll answer your questions. Now, here's why you should resolve to grow. Peppers can encourage proper clotting. Peppers are great even if most people use them as a spice rather than as a food. A little known fact about cayenne pepper is that it can promote the clotting of blood over wounds. According to experts, you can sprinkle some cayenne pepper into a wound where it will act as a gauze. This will help stop the bleeding. Eating cayenne pepper can also help equalize blood pressure and promote clotting from the inside. That means it doesn't matter if you eat them or literally put them on a wound, it will help you heal faster. Eating fruits and vegetables to gain weight is really difficult to do. All fruits and all vegetables are low in calories. You can eat 2 pounds of vegetables and barely crack 300 calories. This is why you hear nutrition professionals, doctors, and other health-conscious people tell you to eat them for snacks. A bag of chips contains fat, oil, and a lot of calories. A pound of carrots contains none of these things. It is absolutely absurd how much fruit and vegetables you can eat before calories even start to stack up. 1 stalk of celery is about 10 calories. For the average 2,000 calorie diet, you would have to consume 200 stalks of celery. Good luck with that. Gardening provides a great workout and feels more like fun than work. Think puttering around in the garden is just something your elderly neighbor does when she gets bored of watching TV? Well, it's time to stop underestimating Granny. Carrying bags of mulch, pushing a wheelbarrow, hoeing rows, picking weeds, planting seeds, toting equipment, shoveling manure, moving pots, pushing a mower, and building containers provides a whole body workout for your heart and your muscles, according to a study done by the American Society of Horticultural Science. Even better, it's exercise with a purpose. Gardening rewards you with fruits and vegetables and flowers to enjoy. When's the last time your treadmill gave you anything besides a guilt trip? Click the subscribe button and you'll be in the know with videos about gardening, decorating, and even more. For updates on everything happening at Stutzmans and a few giggles, like us on Facebook.